Alright, so boys and girls, I am going to show you an example of solving number 1. And how you solve number 1, you're going to use a similar way to answer number 2. So here's the example. It says, on the place value chart below, label the units and represent the number 90,523. So I'm going to use my pen tool here. And I need to first, I noticed it says to, on the place value chart, label the units. So the very first thing that I'm going to do now is write the name of each of these units. We've got the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds. I'm going to just put hun for hundreds. Then we've got the thousands. I'll just put thous. We've got the 10,000s. I'm going to need to use 2 lines to fit that, I can already tell. 100,000s. And then finally we've got the millions. I'll just put mil. Okay, so I have, looking back at my directions, it says to label the units, and now I need to represent the number 90,523. So when I look at that number, I see that it goes all the way out to the 10,000s place, and in the 10,000s place there's a 9, in the thousands place there's a 0, comma, in the hundreds place there's a 5, tens place has a 2, and the ones place has a 3. So I have done part A now. On the place value chart below, I labeled the units and I represented the number 90,523. Now for part B, it asks me to write the number in word form, and I'm remembering what I know about our vocabulary from this lesson is that word form means that you spell it out as you would say it out loud. So I am going to write 90,000 500 23. Okay, and now it wants me to write the number in expanded form, and I remember from our lesson that expanded form is when you break it apart and show what each digit is valued. So the 9 in the 10,000s place is worth 90,000, plus there aren't any digits. There's a 0. There aren't any like discs if we were looking at a chart in the thousands place. So I'm going to skip right ahead to the hundreds place, which has a 5 in it, which is worth 500. The tens place has a 2, which is worth 20. And the ones place has a 3, which is worth 3. So now I have done that for number 1. I've done part A, B, and C.